Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, what is going to be coming to Windows 10 in 2023? This is a viewer question also. That person is wondering if there is going to be another update or anything special coming to Windows 10. So Windows 10, of course, it's in its last phase of, pretty much stable development. So don't expect really nothing new for the next few years, including next year. As we end this year, the latest version that Windows 10 is 22H2. It was released in October and contains pretty much nothing. Microsoft has this weird, wording saying that it contains some features that will help in I don't know what, and I don't think there's really nothing much here. So version 22H2 is where we're ended this year. If you're on 21H2 still, remember that 21H2 is still supported until June. If you're on 21H1, you are getting your last security updates next week on Patch Tuesday. So that means you need to move on to something else. Once again, the best way to do so is to go to the website, the Microsoft website for download. I've had several videos about it. Probably make another one at Patch Tuesday next week to show that you can download it from the Microsoft website and do a clean install. If it doesn't show anywhere, if updating through the media creation tool or the website doesn't work, then you can download the official image from the Microsoft website and do a clean install. That should work. A lot of things can prevent you from installing, especially if you have a lot of software installed, third-party antivirus, and maybe sometimes some old drivers can prevent a good install or upgrade to Windows 10 22H2. So next year, what we expect is the usual 2 updates a month for the first update, which will be the second Tuesday every month. Second Tuesday of the month will be the Patch Tuesday security updates. And of course, towards the end of every month, we expect the same bug fixing updates. It is to note that the bug fixing updates have less and less things to add to Windows 10. So they won't probably have a lot to do and a lot to say, but they'll be there probably still for little things that can happen here and there. 22H2 is such a small increment that when I see somebody telling me, well, since 22H2 my PC doesn't work well, it can be 22H2. It doesn't change anything. Something happened or something's wrong with the setup that you have particularly. Maybe it's time to reinstall Windows simply. So what's going to happen for the next version of Windows? Because 22H2 is a version that will be supported for 18 months. It's still the rule, which means that 22H2's end of support is mid-2024. So that means another small update will be required next year on the second half of next year. So expect a very small update, just like we had with 22H2, that will bump up that number to 23H2. That will get us real close to the end of Windows 10 2025, unless things change. And we're going to have to see that because we're in a very particular moment right now. We've never had an operating system that has such a high market share when a new Windows exists. So something is definitely happening, and people are holding on to Windows 10. This is going to create a very interesting moment, and it's going to be interesting to see 2023, 2024, what is going to happen here. Could Microsoft extend Windows 10? I think that if it stays so high, they won't have any choice. They'll have to extend for a few years. And of course, there's still that mystery of the Windows 12 operating system. So very quiet for 2023. You know what? Boring is great sometimes, and I think for Windows 10, it's perfect. Chances of having problems are going to be low, and no big fancy, waiting for hours to update to something new. Just the regular updates every month is going to be fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.